Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the SP 500 for Wednesday, July the 8th. Well, quite a change of character for this market today, and we have a spinning top candle. This candle denotes indecision in the market, and it's a candle which has a very small body. In this case, it's a very small red body. The colour of the body for a spinning top isn't really that important, although the red body means that there was a small bit of bearishness, some small net gain for the bears on the day, but not really terribly relevant. But it's a small body with a shadow on the top and a shadow on the bottom, and that means price rejection from the downside and price rejection from the upside. So we've had buyers coming in and sellers coming in, so a lot of indecision in the market. And it's what we expected could have happened. We noted previously that when the market sold off in this previous second time frame downtrend, that we had 1 or 2 days of very strong downside price action with the bears in control, and then a spinning top. Another very strong selling day with the bears in control and committed, and then a spinning top, and then the rally. So rally each time. So what we'd be expecting now that we've had this spinning top is that we look to the high of the spinning top for some sort of a rally. Now, spinning top can be a reversal pattern, but we need confirmation of that pattern. So effectively what's happened is that the power that the bears had has evaporated, but the bulls weren't strong enough to push the market up in the other direction. Now, the overriding factor is, though, that the trend in the first time frame is still down. So we need to watch the low of the current candle, that isn't taken out early, for the downtrend to continue, and that can happen regardless of the fact that we've got a spinning top. There is still a possibility that can happen. So the high of the current candle becomes important and the low becomes important. And if we do continue to trend down, then potentially we'll be trading, interacting with the bottom of the cloud or the Kumo, or roughly within that zone, and we should see support there. If we don't see support there, then there's a good chance that the market will trade down to the bottom of the cloud, outside of the cloud, and we need to look at the dynamics of the market. If the bulls or the bears are winning the battle for the day, if the bears are in the ascendancy, then there's a very strong chance that the sell-off will continue. We've got other support levels down through here from these previous swing lows and the previous second time frame uptrend. Now, interestingly, we identified the previous swing lows of the descending triangle here as an area where we might expect the market to hold up. And we can see that the market traded down through there but couldn't close down below there. Quite significant that the market couldn't close down below that level. Looking at our other indicators, now we know we identified yesterday that because we were trading within the cloud that the market is neutral, so that could affect whether people take positions. Some people who trade Ichimoku charts will only take long positions if the markets are trading above the cloud, and they'll only take short positions if the market's trading below the cloud. It's up to you as a trader what you choose to do, and generally if the market's trading within the cloud, it means that the market's neutral. It has a neutral bias, so some traders wouldn't take any positions. It's up to you as a trader, though, depending on how what your style of trading is. Now, looking at the other indicators, we have the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen, and the Tenkan-sen is below the Kijun-sen, which means that the trend is down in a first or a shorter time frame, and then the short to medium term time frame, and both of them are pointing down fairly strongly. Now, we know that when that happens, that reflects that the trend in that time frame has quite a bit of momentum, some good strong downside momentum. And then what we should expect is that if this market does rebound, if it does begin to trade back up in a new first time frame uptrend, then we look to the Tenkan-sen to hold as some sort of resistance. And when the market has a lot of momentum, as we can see here in this previous very strong trend, that the market held at the support level for the Tenkan-sen, and we'd expect that if the market does retrace, that will hold as a resistance level at the Tenkan-sen. So, just summarising, the high of the current candle becomes very important for a retracement of this downswing, and the low becomes important for a continuation of the downtrend.